Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update. And right now, we are still looking to go to that technical target that I actually gave you of 0.0448. Now, there are some few things that I want to actually look and put a check in. And it seems like SLP, the party just began because you're about to make a bullish cross, and this is one of the most bullish signs ever on any coin that you're ever gonna get. Okay, so once you see this bullish cross happen, boy, this is not gonna stop anytime soon. This is gonna continue to moon to the upside. Okay, and you might see this one actually potentially making an uptrend that is never gonna stop. Do you understand that? You're just gonna see green, 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 and it flies, it keeps flying, and that's the beauty of when coins actually get so bullish. Do you understand that? So right now, this very point of time, what I'm gonna tell you is that out of that bull flag that I actually made for you yesterday, this one is looking to take you still for another ride from here to here. That's gonna be 31%, 28% gains is still upon us. And once you do that and you get this bullish cross right there, wow, then that's it. You're still going to continue to fly to the upside. So what you want to see right now is Bitcoin does make a bullish cross. Do you understand that? That's the first thing. And then SLP as well makes another bullish cross in here. And then that thing is going to be absolutely amazing and continue to the upside. So on the weekly, we're bullish. Look at that. We are still bullish. Yes, just because you saw that green candle, it doesn't mean it's bad. And we're potentially breaking the downtrend. Just look at this. Wow, you are breaking the downtrend. Do you see that? Now, even if we go to the 44, there could be a possibility of coming down to the 20 again, backtest this area and then continue, make a bear trap. I'm gonna actually warn you that, you see, when you are moving in an uptrend, always keep greed in check. You don't want to be greedy. You never ever want to be greedy when it comes to trade. And anything can happen in that space, because when people get so bullish, the market can actually turn the other way around. But basically, chart reading is going to help us know if we're going to go dump or if we're going to go and move to the upside. But at this point of time, I just see this big green candle playing out, and potentially even next week you continue, right? So for the next coming 10 days, I just see safety, and I don't see any danger coming in with this coin as well, because on the daily, that bullish cross that is about to happen is absolutely the main thing that you guys want to see. And please join me into the Discord as well. I do make these videos update daily, so do follow this channel if you're interested in that, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.